Going. So today I actually want to talk about fatigue. So a lot of people that I deal with, whether it's my clients, my family, or my friends, and just people in general, a lot of times they will complain about a lack of energy, and they'll attribute it to either because they're leading a busy lifestyle, or it's because they're getting older. So they justify their fatigue or their lack of energy due to these factors. And I want to tell you that you can actually make those changes. You could actually fix those changes within you so that you create a stable amount of energy throughout the day, no matter how old you are, no matter how busy you are. Basically, in my health webinar that I'm giving, it is called the 6 culprits that are causing you to be exhausted and the fastest ways to increase your energy for good. I'm going to talk about some of the foods that are causing you to have a lack of energy, and also the foods that you can actually consume and integrate into your lifestyle in order to increase your energy and create a stabilized uh, amount of energy throughout the day. So for example, some of the things I'll be talking about is caffeine. So a lot of people do consume caffeine in the form of either coffee, energy drinks, or even soda. So the thing is, when you consume caffeine, basically caffeine will block a neurotransmitter called adenosine. So adenosine is responsible for making you tired. So basically what happens is the caffeine will block the adenosine. However, behind the scenes, adenosine is still producing itself. So it's building up. So when the caffeine actually wears off, that built up amount of adenosine will flood your brain all at one time. And when it floods your brain all at one time, it causes a crash in energy and you get tired very quickly. And a lot of times people, when they feel that way, when they have that energy crash, they will start to crave different foods in order to get back that energy. And they're aware of what foods give them energy, like caffeine, like sugar, like refined carbs, and they'll continue to eat those foods so that they get that raised energy levels. And then again, they'll get that crash. So this is a continuous cycle, continuous unhealthy cycle that's going on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about the different foods that you can implement into your lifestyle to create stable energy without having to experience an up and down energy levels. Also, too, not only is there caffeine an issue, but it's the sugar that's also integrated into those caffeine drinks like coffee. There's sugar in coffee usually, and then soda, and like I said, those energy drinks. There's always sugar in there. So the thing is, when you consume sugar, it creates a quick rise in your blood sugar, giving you that energy boost. However, your body does a great job by making sure it secretes insulin to drive down that blood sugar. However, when it drives down the blood sugar, it causes you to have another energy crash. So essentially, that combination of caffeine along with the sugar creates a really big energy crash, and then you end up craving those refined carbs and sugars and caffeine in order to make up for that lost energy. So like I said, it's an unhealthy cycle of your energy levels going up and down, up and down, up and down. And in my free health webinar, I'm going to talk about the different foods that you can implement to create a stable amount of energy, not experience any of those energy roller coasters of having that energy boost followed by an energy crash. And those people that attend live to my webinar, what I'm doing is I'm going to give them a free ebook called Healthy Delicious Energy Boosting Recipes. And in that ebook, you'll get a list of ingredients that are helpful for increasing your energy. But also, not only that, I will actually integrate those ingredients into actual recipes that you could actually cook for yourself and experience that energy boost and that energy stability where you have a stable amount of energy throughout the day without experiencing those ups and downs. So I'm just trying to basically educate everybody who is interested in improving their overall health and wellness and who wants to avoid and combat that lack of energy or that fatigue or that energy crash. That is my goal because I love sharing information with people to help them get better because it gives me a lot of motivation and it really makes me feel good that I can make those changes within people because of the knowledge that I'm passing on to them and the food recipes that I'm passing on to them because I want to give them not only just the concepts to learn, but actual things they could apply to their life in the form of healthy, tasty, energy boosting food. So if you want to know more, go to heartfulfoods.com/register where you can learn more about the webinar, about my free webinar that I'm hosting. And also too, if you want to ask me questions on that same page, you could direct message me. I'll get that message within 24 to 48 hours. I'll get back to you, and I welcome you to continually ask me questions and give me your comments and your concerns, because I love interacting with you guys, because I get to know and understand what is needed out there, so I could continually meet that need and pass on that information that can be useful to you in your overall health. Again, my name is Brandon Drake at heartfulfoods.com, where food is medicine. I am a functional nutrition coach and a therapeutic chef. And don't forget, if you want to learn more, go to heartfulfoods.com/register. Peace.